Reality star Kim Kardashian is in London promoting her perfume and weight loss product. Her new fragrance is called True Reflection. She went to a nightclub to promote the perfume. Then it was off to a hotel for the launch of the weight loss product that she endorses called Quick Trim. Well, there's really no quick fix when it comes to weight loss. It takes a lot of time, dedication, and a whole lot of flamethrowing? No. A lot of help. Here to tell us about the weight loss program that she offers at Natural Path Health Center is Dr. Michael Parsons. We're also joined by one of her patients who lost more than 8 pounds in 11 days. Welcome to the show, Catherine Higgins. How are you?
Hello, good.
You look fantastic.
Thank you.
And you must feel fantastic as well.
I feel great. I'm really excited to be here because it's incredible. It's an amazing program.
Really. Now, I'm always curious. A lot of the people that Dr. P brings on, they've been dealing with weight issues like many of us. What inspired you to just pick up the phone and call? Because I think that that's probably the hardest step, isn't it?
It was really hard. I have tried everything, like a lot of people, and I've been about 40 pounds overweight for quite some time. And I've tried all these different kinds of programs and given up on all of them. And I have a coworker who always looked really healthy, and in the last couple of months, even more, he looked even better. And he was losing weight. He didn't have a lot to lose. He looked healthy. And I finally just asked him, what are you doing? And he told me about Dr. Parsons.
No kidding.
And for me, because I saw someone going through a transition and just a big transformation, it was a call that I felt I really needed to make.
And so when you did call Dr. P, what happened then? What was the next step? What was the consultation with her like?
You know, actually, I felt she's so easy to talk to. I mean, it wasn't talking like to someone who I just felt like there was a big, gap between us. Very easy to talk to. And so easy that I actually sat there and told her everything that I'd gone through in the last 10, 12 years, and I almost felt like I could cry because it was all coming out. And I just wanted someone to help me.
And Dr. P, we've heard about your story as well before, and you understood because you went through the same exact thing.
Yeah, I think that's why we clicked so much, because a lot of the things that she was sharing, it's that emotions from the heart that we hold in tight when we're upset about how we look and feel. And I was getting teary-eyed as well because I felt that pain. I still can tap into that and feel that.
Right.
What's the first step when someone like Catherine comes in to see you and tells you her story? What is the first thing you do?
Well, based on her previous attempts at losing weight and keeping it off, I knew that there was probably an underlying toxicity issue. So we checked for that first, and lo and behold,
I was very
she had some toxicity issues. And just by putting her through my Ultimate Detox program, she started to have amazing changes. She was suffering living here in the Valley, horrible allergies, zero energy, no quality of life. She was existing. And going through the detox program, she's a transformed person.
What was the detox program like?
Actually, it wasn't hard because a lot of it is protein, a lot of it is vegetables, and, a lot of water, things I knew that I needed to do. But there was a point where there was additional information that I needed to keep going, and just within a week, I felt so much better, and I learned so much about how things that we put in our body, and not just inside of it, lotions, makeup, there's all these things that have chemicals in it that can actually make your body toxic.
Wow.
I've changed my makeup, I've changed my lotions, I have changed how I eat, and within a week, I had more energy than my husband, who is, always on the go.
Wow.
And I really made a change, and 1 week later, I felt so much cleaner.
And that gives you the motivation to keep going.
Oh, yeah.
And tell us about where people can get hold of you and how to get started.
So you can always call the office at 447-1404. We are doing a call that I go into more of why someone might be having a weight issue. We talk about sleep and digestion and a lot of the stumbling blocks that I had to work through. So we'll give you tips and tools to try to get some things going on your own. But then if you're ready to really find out the why, you need to call, make an appointment, come in, and we'll do that toxicity test.
447-1404. That will be the beginning of a new lifestyle for you, right? Like it was for Catherine.
Absolutely.
And
Well,
she's just beginning.
She's just beginning, and you've already lost 8.5 pounds in 11 days.
And she's got 14 more weeks to go in our fat blasting program.
Wow.
Yeah.
4 1/4
Actually,
inches
I'm up to
on
10
your...
now.
So awesome. You keep bragging, girl. You keep bragging about it. That's so awesome. Well, you look great, and most of all, you look happy, which makes me happy.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for being here. We appreciate it. 447-1404. You can also go to naturalpathfresno.com. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you very much.